Hello and welcome back to K&F Design. If you're new here, my name is Katie and I try to bring a wide variety of different craft projects to you. If you ever have a craft project you would like me to show you how to make or just want to see me try to make it, let me know down below and I'll try my best to bring that to you. If you like today's craft project, make sure to hit those thumbs up. It really does mean a lot to me and it helps bring my crafting videos to more crafters like you. Don't forget to also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. That way you don't miss out on any of our crafting fun. So with that, let's get crafting. So I'll be showing you how I'm doing my wax seals for my wedding invitations. I'm using this wax seal glue stick and then I'm just inserting it into my glue gun. Then for the wax seal, I actually have put a little mark on it with a Sharpy just to indicate the exact bottom, and that just helps me when I'm lining it up. I know which way to place it. This is just some cold water. It tends to help, I think, when you press it. And then I will be using some of this double-sided tape to help with my wax seal. So I typically will take my wax seal, dry it off, get my glue gun. This is a silicone mat which helps it not stick, the wax seal stick to it. I do one squeeze and a half. And then I take my wax seal, line it up, and press down. And then since it's cold, you can pour it up right away. Then I let it sit and dry for just a little bit. And do a second one while that one's drying. So this one's already dry, and with that silicone it comes straight up. So that's what it looks like. And then I just take my double-sided tape and place it right on the back. And then I take my wedding invitation and I place it down nice and tight. And then if you want, you can move that off to the side a little bit. And that is it.